Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'll be showing you how you can write superscript in Google Docs. So the first thing is to highlight the text that you want to convert to a superscript. So we are converting this to the first, highlight this, then go to the menu bar and click on format, click on text and scroll down to superscript. We can see that this text has been converted to a superscript, quite easily done. Let's do another one. Highlight the text, go to format, go to text, and then superscript. So for subscript, you will do that the same way. So just click, highlight the text, go to format, click on text, then subscript. And that's how you can add both superscripts and subscripts. I hope you like this video. If you do, let me know in the comments below what you think. Give me a thumbs up, share my video, and please subscribe to my channel. And I will see you in my next video.